Hi team. In this video I am going to go through around about 10-minute body scan meditation. This is an exercise that is often part of my welcoming routine that I do with my clients. Now, each of my clients also completes their own resource menu, and actually at the start of each session together, I ask clients to reflect on their resource menu and for them to tell me what welcoming and grounding activities that they would like to do, because agency is an extremely important part of healing from trauma and restoring the nervous system. And a lot of clients often really enjoy the body scan meditation that I do with them, which also includes a little bit of orienting as well. So this is a practice for my clients that I am sharing with everybody else. And as it is a trauma-informed practice, I want you to be aware that you can pause this video at any time. If you feel overwhelmed or you have some unpleasant sensations that you do not have the capacity to hold during this meditation, know that you can return to orienting around the space, reconnecting with your environment, with your body, and getting on with your day as normal. If you do feel that you need some support, if being in your body is something that feels uncomfortable or unsafe to do by yourself, please do consider working with a trauma-trained somatic practitioner such as myself that can help to support and guide you to build the capacity, to build the resources to do this work in a way that is really as safe as possible and as nourishing and as nurturing as possible for you. Let's begin. So I just want to invite you to allow yourself to arrive in your seat. You're welcome to lay down if you prefer. And just feel yourself in your seat in the present moment. Noticing the breath as you're breathing in and breathing out. No need to change the breath, although it is normal if it does. Begin to deepen as you bring awareness to it. Breathing in. And allow yourself to ground down on the exhale, bringing awareness next to the back body, noticing the spine, noticing the support provided by the surface behind and beneath you. If your feet are on the floor, noticing where your feet connect with the floor, noticing where the back of the legs, the back of the body connects with the surface below you. As you're breathing in and grounding down. And just allow yourself for a minute just to gently widen your gaze and turn your head to look around the space that you are in. No need to look for anything in particular. As you're breathing in and grounding down, allowing the eyes to gently move around the room, exploring the seams of the room, bringing your attention to the floor, to the walls, to the ceiling, being sure to look behind you on both sides, just allowing the nervous system to take in the space that you're in. Now bringing the attention a little bit closer to the body, closer to the area within a few meters from you. Noticing any different textures. Noticing the objects in the space. Staying connected to the body. As you're breathing in and grounding down. Noticing different shades of different colours. Bringing your attention to your body. Looking at the texture of the clothes that you are wearing. Noticing your skin. And when you're ready, coming back to center. As you're breathing in and grounding down, allow the eyes to soften and close them if you feel it's safe to do so and that feels more nourishing. You make the choice. And I want to bring your attention now to the crown of your head. And the forehead. The sides of the head. The back of the head. As you're breathing in, grounding down on the exhale. Bring your attention next to your eyebrows and the space between the eyebrows, the temples, the eyes, the nose, the ears, the space behind the ears. As you're breathing in, grounding down, bring your attention next to your cheeks, to your lips, to your teeth and your tongue, the roof of your mouth, the floor of the mouth, the jaw, and the chin. As you're breathing in and grounding down, moving your attention next to your throat and the neck, into the upper shoulders, the shoulder caps, the upper back, and the collarbone. Next, bringing your attention to your biceps and your triceps, the elbows, the chest, the rib cage, the middle of the back, the upper abdomen. As you're breathing in and grounding down on the exhale, just allowing yourself to relax that little bit more than before. Bringing your attention next to your forearms, belly button, the lower abdomen. As you're breathing in and grounding down on the exhale, being aware of the support provided by the surfaces behind and below you. I invite you now to bring your attention to your wrists, the palms of the hands, the fronts of the hands, the fingers and the spaces between the fingers. As you're breathing in and grounding down, I invite you now to expand your awareness, to take in any sounds that you can hear, either coming from inside or outside the space that you're in. Just seeing if you can add that extra layer of awareness. If it feels too much, just come back to what you were doing before. You're breathing in and grounding down on the exhale. I invite you to bring your awareness now into the lower abdomen and the lower back, the sacrum, the coccyx bone, the pelvis, and the hips. Just breathing in, grounding down, feeling just that little bit more softer and relaxed than before. Next, bring your awareness to your thighs, your hamstrings, your knees, on the front and on the back, your calf muscles, your shins. As you're breathing in, grounding down. Next, bringing the attention to the ankles and the heels, the soles of the feet, the tops of the feet, the toes, and the spaces between the toes. As you're breathing in, grounding down, allowing the exhale to be audible if that feels good for you. Breathing in, grounding down, allowing a sigh to come out on the exhale just to release any lingering tension. Last one, breathing in, grounding down. And just take a few moments here. Hopefully feeling more present and calm in the body. Noticing the breath. Noticing the back body and the support provided by the surface behind and below you, and any sounds that are coming from inside or outside the space. Feel free to stay here for as long as feels good for you by pausing this video. When you're ready, you can gently flutter your eyelids open and gently gaze back into the space that you're in. You might notice a little yawn. And I invite you to just bring some movement into the body, gently wiggling the toes, the fingers. Maybe rotating the wrists, the ankles, the neck. Bringing in some shoulder rotations. Stretching the chest. Still connected to my breath. I'm going to take a nice gentle stretch now. looking around the room, bringing my attention back to my body, looking down at my clothes and the surface that I'm sat on, and coming back to center. Hopefully that exercise has made you feel a lot more grounded in the body, in your environment, and more present and able to move on with whatever activity it is that you have planned next, whether that is to move on with your day or to continue with some healing work. If you are someone that is looking for support on their healing journey, my name is Donna Louise, and I am a trauma-trained somatic practitioner, functional breathwork coach, a clinical EFT practitioner, and a trainee counsellor, and I help people to get out of survival mode, to restore their nervous system, and to reconnect with themselves again. If you've enjoyed this video, please save it, please give it a like, consider sharing it and subscribing to the channel. If you've got any thoughts, questions or concerns, I'd love to hear from you in the comments section. Please go ahead and let me know how you found this body scan meditation. Until the next time, thank you very much and take really good care.